That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. Like everything we do is. This particular item is a Yamaha vmx1200 sissy-bar. Also, believe it or not, available for the 1700 as well. We do actually do a 1700 vmax sissy-bar. You know, similar design, okay? Now, this particular one will replace your original hoop. And basically, you can see, very well made. This is made in Europe. Comes complete with a pad. This has got the rack on as well, okay? You can have the rack or not. And it's all loose, obviously, because we don't want to wreck up the self-sealing bolts. But beautifully made in Europe. You can see the chroming's half decent, okay? You know, not like some of the Far East stuff. But also, we could powder coat this any colour you like, black, chrome, you know, whatever. But you can see here the assembled thing, okay? And this basically will just bolt straight on your Yamaha VMAX. If you're interested in any of these, we also do the HAC or aluminium one, which unfortunately now the price has gone crazy. But we do them. You know, the billet aluminium one that actually, it's cast aluminium, so it does match the bike better, but you are looking close to, I believe, getting on for 300 quid with the rack. These ones way cheaper, but beautifully made. Like I say, different pad options that we offer. We offer a big wrap round pad as well, and I say with or without the rack as well. Mike, customcruisers.com. Thank you.